Meaning of defilement.
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 Defilement. Defilement refers to the act of making something unclean or impure. It can refer to physical or moral contamination. The result of defilement is a state of impurity or corruption that can have various negative effects. Physically, defilement can lead to the spread of disease or the contamination of natural resources. Morally, defilement can leave lasting emotional scars on individuals or communities, as well as contributing to societal decay and distrust. Ultimately, defilement undermines the stability and health of both individuals and society as a whole, making it important to take steps to prevent and address it.